Very good evening, guys. So, today we'll be learning something about how to repair the systems by logging in a safe mode. There is a very beautiful way, or there is a very beautiful options like if you want to identify either your systems is working well or it's there any problem, you try to log in the safe mode, and from you can identify it how fast the system works and was there any problem on your system. If your system is working fine in safe mode, then obviously you can make yourself clear that the system is working properly. It should be in the normal mode also. Might be there may be some unwanted file, or there may be due to the virus effect your system may get slowed down. Just see how to log in the safe mode. You need to keep hitting the button of F8. It depends on the different system, it may be in the different button, but just see in that once you will I'll keep hitting while restarting in the F8 button, this option will come up. So here there are a lot of options you can see as my screen. There are safe mode with networking, and safe mode with the command prompt. And rest of others, there are lots of other options also it will be there. And you have one more option in the downside, start Windows in normally. So in this the Windows will start the last good configurations of yours. See that this is the safe mode what we are, what I do have. So once I select that and I can hit enter, the system will keep loading with the the drivers, and once the system keep getting load, when the system get load over, so it will show us the screen of a safe mode in all the corner. It shows as a safe mode you can see in all the corner, just you just see in the screen. So this is what the display. Again, I am just showing you how it is. You can choose the options from here in this BIOS by using the down and up arrow key. Once you choose that and hit enter, so the windows start loading in a safe mode. So here you can clearly identify yourself was if your system is getting slow, how is the performance in the safe mode. If the performance is well in the safe mode, you can make sure yourself that your system is working well. There may be due to the virus, or there may be other unwanted file are there in your system. So because of that, your system might got slowed down. So this is what the video you can see here. You can learn a lot of things. So if you have any doubts, you can text me, you can comment me. Thank you for watching.